Picture this clearly. It's 2045. You're standing in your kitchen late at night, lights off, staring at your bank app on your phone. You did everything you were told. You worked hard, saved when you could, and even invested. But the number on your screen is nowhere near enough. Your retirement feels fragile. Your stress is constant. And in that moment, you realize something painful. You didn't fail because you didn't try. You failed because you invested in the wrong order. That single mistake quietly drained years of your future, and you never saw it coming. This isn't luck. It's order. Today, I'm going to show you the exact sequence that separates wealthy people from everyone else. Step 1. Your first $1,000. Before investing anywhere, save your first $1,000 in cash. Not in stocks, not in crypto. Just safe, boring cash. Why? Because life is unpredictable. Your car breaks, your phone dies, a medical bill arrives. Without this money, you'll either panic sell investments or swipe a credit card at 22% interest. Both terrible outcomes. That $1,000 is not about getting rich. It's about giving you control. Once you have it, build toward 1 month of expenses, then slowly to 3 months. Peace of mind is the first real investment. Step 2. Destroy high-interest debt. Now we get serious. If you have debt above about 8% interest, especially credit cards, this is your top priority. Credit card debt isn't just expensive, it's a wealth killer. If you owe $5,000 at 22% and only make minimum payments, you'll hand the bank nearly $3,000 in interest. That's money stolen from your future. Use the debt avalanche method. Pay minimums everywhere, then attack the highest interest rate first. Every dollar you pay down is like earning a guaranteed 22% return, better than most investments. Step 3. Take free money, employer match. Here's the one exception to paying off debt first. If your employer offers a 401k match, take it. Always. If they match 50 cents on the dollar up to 6%, that's an instant 50% return, before the market even moves. That's not investing, that's free money. So contribute just enough to get the full match, then go back to paying off debt. Step 4. Max out your IRA. Once debt is gone, your next move is your IRA. Why not your 401k? Because IRAs usually have lower fees, better investment choices, more control. For 2025, you can contribute $7,000 or $8,000 if 50 plus. Young or lower income? Choose Roth IRA. Pay taxes now, never again. High income? Choose Traditional IRA. Save taxes today. If you're unsure, split it. That gives you flexibility later. Step 5. Use an HSA if eligible. If you have a high deductible health plan, an HSA is one of the best accounts in America. It has 3 tax benefits: tax deduction going in, tax-free growth, tax-free withdrawals for medical costs. You can even pay medical bills out of pocket today, keep receipts, and reimburse yourself decades later, tax-free. If invested for 30 years at 7%, your HSA could grow past $400,000, completely tax-free for healthcare in retirement. That's not just smart, that's elite planning. Step 6. Max out your 401k. Now go back and max your 401k. For 2025, that's $23,500 or $31,000 if 50 plus. At this stage, you're playing the long game correctly. Your money is growing faster because less of it is going to taxes. This is how real millionaires are built: quietly, steadily, automatically. Step 7. Taxable investing. Only now do we reach regular brokerage accounts. Here you can buy stocks, ETFs, or even take some risk. Yes, taxes slow you down, but taxable accounts give you freedom. Buy a house, retire early, help your kids, build generational wealth. So here is the smartest order, clearly. $1,000 emergency fund. Pay off high-interest debt. Get full employer match. Max your IRA. Use an HSA Max your 401k. Invest in taxable accounts. Follow this, and while everyone else is chasing hot stocks, you'll quietly become wealthy. If this made sense to you, subscribe, because most people get this wrong, and I refuse to let you be one of them.